po niyan, lahat ngayon yun wala na. So, na-lessen yung gastos ko, di ba? Kasi sa isang product na lang, lahat-lahat yun, nandun na. And yun nga po yung Tanaka.
Dati po, ano po yung mukha ko, marami pong pimples, na acne na talaga po. Tapos, yung kaibigan po, may isang kaibigan po na bigay sa akin Tanaka, sabi niya po, try mo po to kasi maganda yan, ano yan sa acne. Tapos, kasi uka-uka na po talaga yung mukha ko. Tapos, parang marami nang nanaasing, pagang-paga na po itong mukha ko hanggang dito. Sabi ko, ano ba itong mukha ko? Gagaling ba kaya ito o hindi na? Ganito na ba talaga yung mukha ko? Sabi ko. Tapos yun nga sabi ng kaibigan ko na may Tanaka nga. Sabi niya, itry mo to. Wala namang mawawala kung itry mo. Yun, tinatry ko po. Yung tinatry ko, 2 weeks lang yung nawala. Yun, hanggang ngayon, yun pa rin ginagamit ko.
Acne and pimples are not big problems. Pinalaki lang po ito ng mga businessman. But acne and pimples, they are simple problems if you know the right cure. And Tanaka is the cure. It is your one-step home dermatologist. You don't have to go to a doctor and consult them, anong gagawin ko sa acne ko, anong gagawin ko sa pimples ko. Actually, it's very simple. All you have to do, get Tanaka from Uno, apply it on your skin, before you sleep, and then wash it off in the morning, and I guarantee you, lahat ng pimples and acne, especially yung mga nagnanaknak, the next day, pus will be dried. And even in a few days, acne will be gone. Even the marks, yung mga nahukay. Have you seen people na parang crates yung muka? Parang buwan, may mga crates, may mga hukay. Even those, kayang pagalingin ng Tanaka. In time, magpapantay ang skin because Tanaka is in the business of regenerating cells, skin cells. The most active component of Tanaka, yung pinaka-chemical ingredient na, natural chemical ingredient that thrives in Tanaka is coumarin. Now, coumarin, if you will research about it, it's antibacterial, antifungal, and so anything that is categorized as bacteria and antifungal, Tanaka completely heals. So yun yung side na nagpapagaling sa lahat ng acne and pimples. Now there is another active chemical content ng Tanaka, that is marmicin. Kasi ang Tanaka can be used as therapy and it can also be used as cosmetic. Ang advantage na for cosmetic is that it will completely protect your skin from sun damage, UVA and UVB. Now, marmicin, yun yung pag tinatanong nila, anong SPF ng Tanaka? No, actually, Tanaka has no SPF because SPF content are mixed in the laboratories and those are artificial. But Tanaka is naturally a sunblock. It naturally protects your skin from the sun. So, coumarin and marmicin together heals your skin and protects your skin all at the same time, all in the same product.
Since childhood, my greatest problem is my figure and my weight because I was born as a chubby little girl. And since I got so vain to lose weight, I tried many different diet pills in the market. And thank God that Fitrite is here in Uno, that I've been using it for almost 3 months already, and I've lost 12 pounds. It's really a success story on my